You need to press your forearm into the back of his neck, grab your elbow with the other hand, choke him right out.
What you want, mister?
Yeah, mister. What do you want?
Sign outside says Hessen Sons. Which one's the older boy?
Me. Nikki. No, so that leaves me in charge when Dad is gone?
Or not. Mom said...
Mom has nothing to do with it, sister.
Hey! Help you with something?
Sam Hess?
Who wants to know?
Me?
Only two reasons to come to my shop, friend. Either you need a truck, or you drive a truck, huh? You a truck driver?
I was just talking to your boys. I think the younger one's a little dim.
What did you say?
His IQ seems low, I'm saying. Have you had him tested?
Hit him, Dad.
Yeah, Dad. Hit him.
I'm gonna restrain myself. You know, on account of you got an obvious head injury. Not beat you to death with a tire iron. But I'm gonna ask you again. What the heck do you want?
I just wanted to have a look at you. Okay. That'll do it.